guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oblong Polka Dots and my name is Kerr, and on this channel we talk about makeup, skincare, and beauty. So if that's something you're into, you've come to the right place. Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal Oblong Polka Dots. Me llamo Kerr y en este canal hablamos de maquillaje, cuidado de piel y belleza. Entonces, si eso es algo que te gusta, has venido al lugar correcto. Empezamos. Tengo muchas cosas de Stylevana. Es un segundo order de Stylevana. It's my second time shopping with them. Y tenemos muchos cuidados de piel. Así empezamos. All right, so en este caja, they wrap this up so well, you guys. They do a really good job with the packaging. I'm really very impressed. Let's begin here. I don't know how many. I think I probably have 20 sheet masks here. It should all be the same. Yeah. So, tengo 20 sheet masks y son los mismos. Y se llama Glutathione Niacinamide Sheet Mask. This is from the APLB. Mild ingredients with the best results. This is the lipoglutathione 13.7% mask. And this is what it looks like. They all have these, I think this is like a tag that goes on it either for imports or for their own inventory. But here's the mask itself. And then here are the instructions for it on the back. Normally, cuando uso masks, quiero, how do you say it? Quiero llevar, is it llevar? Llevar? No me recuerdo la palabra para to wear it on my face en cara. Pero quiero usando para, ¿dónde está el tiempo? Oh, 20 minutos. Puedes que usar eso para 10 minutos, pero 20 es el mayor. So I'm going to use this mask for 20 minutes when I go to use it, unless I have any kind of like adverse reaction. Whatever the amount of time it says on a mask, I'm always going to use like the highest amount of time to get the most benefit from it, barring any kind of like allergic reaction. The other thing is this is supposed to be tightening, moisturizing, brightening, calming, soothing. It has a lot of claims. So I'm excited to use this one because I use a mask twice a day. And so I tend to go through like a lot of masks because if you think about it, in the course of like 5 days, I've used 10. All right, I picked up some of my all-time favorite sunscreen. Are we crooked? Oh my gosh. Am I filming you guys crooked? Oh no. Is it crooked? Are we out of balance here? I hope not. We've been doing this for a few minutes. This is my all-time favorite sunscreen ever. Ever. My favorite ever. Above Misha, above Beauty of Joseon, above Isntree, above Innisfree. This is my favorite. And apparently it must be a lot of other people's favorites because the price has gone way up on this stuff. It is a Japanese sunscreen. It is the Biore UV Watery Essence with SPF 50+, PA+++++. I love this stuff so much. I've used it for years, and I especially love it when the weather gets warm. So if you were looking for a really good, thin textured sunscreen that you can reapply all throughout the day, I recommend this one. I also recommend if you buy it, buy more than one because it takes a long time for shipping sometimes, and you want to make sure to have plenty on hand. My favorite. My super duper favorite. All right, next up we have the TIRTIR Niacinamide 20% Serum. This is the 20% niacinamide plus retinol plus glutathione. The serum right here. We'll wait for it to come into focus and I'll open it for you. They all come with a safety seal. So you know that no one has fiddled around with this thing. We'll just open it. I love serums, I love essences, I love ampules. The TIRTIR brand is supposed to be really, really good. So I really wanted to give this a try. And I don't think it was cheap, if I recall, but sometimes you gotta, really invest in your skincare so that you can get the best out of it. I'm gonna actually use this in place of, I think I'm almost done with my COSRX. Which one am I using? The propolis. I think that one's almost done. So I was going to swap this out for that one. And I will let you know what I think. You guys will probably see these in shorts, so I can at least show you the texture and give you like a quick take on it. This box is full, so I hope you guys have a lot of time. They gave me some samples. This one is from Skin 1004, which is one of my all-time absolute favorite brands. If you are just getting into K-beauty and you're not really sure what it is you want to use, then I recommend Skin 1004. I think they have 3 or 4 different lines. Go check them out. They're amazing. And I do shop directly from their website as well, because they oftentimes will have really great sales. And then I got a Black Rice Moisture Airlift Daily Sunscreen sample as well. So moving on. Got some stuff from Roun Lab. Oh yeah. And this one, I think when I first opened the box, I already tore this up, or it was tore up when I got it. So I just opened it. But it is the Birch Juice Moisturizing Sunscreen. I'm on a mission to find some more sunscreens that I really enjoy, because I do wear them every single day, and I have since I was in my early 20s. And I am a firm believer that because I have taken care of my skin and used sunscreen every day, that I really have helped to age a little more gracefully than I would have otherwise. I think that it really is taking good care of the texture of my skin, as well as any kind of like hyperpigmentation or anything like that. So I do recommend wearing sunscreen every day. And Roun Lab is a fantastic brand. It really is like very popular right now. You hear a lot about Roun Lab, you hear a lot about Magno, you hear a lot about Torriden. So this is the Torriden Dive-In Serum that you cannot get away from. It's what everybody has been talking about. I'm super excited to try this out. Although I bought mine through Stylevana, I want you to know that I do work for Costco. I've worked for Costco for 24 years. No one is asking me to say anything about this. No one is paying me. This is my opinion only. But I will say I am the assistant buyer for ecom, and I do makeup, skincare, and beauty buying. And we do have the Torriden on our website right now for Costco. So if you are a Costco member and you're looking for somewhere to make your purchase, I would say that that would be an option. You don't have to go there, but it is an option. So this is the super popular Dive-In Serum. It's the low molecular hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid. It does really, really well for my skin. I definitely attribute that, niacinamide, and vitamin C to what my skin looks like today. So any products I have with those ingredients, I'm telling you, that is what's making my skin do the skinning. It's doing it. And I'm 45 years old, so I'm always going to be looking for something that's going to help my skin to be the healthiest and to look its best. I am so excited to try this serum. This is immediately going on my skincare tray. Immediately. We are going to put this into action tonight. I can't wait to tell you guys about my experience with that. Next up we have, this is from COSRX, another brand I absolutely love so much. Skin 1004, COSRX, Innisfree, Isntree. These are all brands that I've used for years, and I definitely would say that their quality of products have been consistent. I have had minimal to no adverse reactions with any products I've used from these brands, and I love them so much. So this is the COSRX Niacinamide 15 Acetyl Glucosamine plus Zinc PCA Oil Control Minimize Pores and Sebum Serum. Whew! What a mouthful. It's a mouthful, yes. And it's a product that is supposed to really be able to yield some solid results. I'm just going to open it. So excited. So excited I ripped the box, you guys. All right, let's get this open so you can see what it looks like. It's this one right here. So that's what the bottle looks like. And the bottle, I believe, is supposed to be dark because it's going to prevent the product from deteriorating more quickly. So it's going to help to preserve the integrity of the product by having it in a darker bottle. And you're going to see that too when you buy really good vitamin C products. They will always come in something that either does not have, like, has very minimal air that can get into it, and also is in something that is dark or completely opaque. So I'm going to throw this into my skincare routine as well, and I'm looking forward to using it. Girl, I've ripped my box, not even going to close anymore. That's fine. All right, what else did we get? We grabbed, that's right, I totally forgot about this. So this is from the brands, what brand is this? Numbuzin. I'm sure you guys have heard of Numbuzin as well. That is also making the rounds. Round Lab, Numbuzin, Anawa, these are like the hot, the new, everybody loves them. And so I picked up the Vitamin Niacinamide Concentrate Pad. This is supposed to be a brightening antioxidant with Glutathione. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super slick, very modern. And it has a seal on it, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the seal. And we'll pull the product out to take a look. If you hear racket in the background, it's because we have kids and kids make noise. So that's what the inside looks like. You just have some pieces of information here. And then there you go, Numbuzin. And their products are so beautifully packaged. I mean, can we take a minute to really appreciate the graphic design that was put into this? Absolutely glorious and functional. I love the fact that it is shaped like a cube so that you do have a way to store this more easily. And then if you open the top, I believe there's supposed to be a little spatula. Yep, there it is. So you have a little spatula here, not a spatula, tongs. You have tongs here, and then you can open the lid. I'm not going to open it right now. I'm not ready to use this. And then you can just take your tongs and you can use them to pull out each of the sheets. They are supposed to be really saturated. Like, everybody talks about how much product is in here. So I feel like I got a lot of bang for my buck. When I'm ready to use that, I will definitely share it and let you guys know. All right, next we have, running out of room already. So next we have the Mary and May. Also, Mary May is also sold at Costco right now, just so you know. So this is the Mary and May Niacinamide Serum Duo Twin Pack, but it also comes with a free gift. It's the tranexamic acid and glutathione eye cream. So that's what this box looks like. And I think I'm probably going to use this after I use the COSRX after this one. I try not to throw, the same things into my routine. I try to just stick with one thing until I run out of it. And then that way I'll know right away if it's this product or whatever that, makes me break out, or if stuff doesn't work well together. It's easier for me to pinpoint it quickly and then switch it out. I haven't had that issue in a really long time. I think I've been very good about just checking and making sure that whatever the active ingredients are, that they play well with the other items that I'm using currently in my skincare routine. I've heard really amazing things about this product though. So I'm super excited. And I'm also kind of glad that I got a little extra sample there. I think it's actually supposed to be a full size, or at least close to it. So I'll keep you guys posted on that as well. Next up we have a product I've been wanting for a while. I've seen a lot of different YouTubers talk about this, and it's one of those products where people just purchase it and purchase it and purchase it over and over again. I'm always looking for something that's going to become a staple in my skincare routine that I'll be able to use for years to come, because I don't want to necessarily change up my skincare routine if it's working, and I want to have a high quality product at a good price and something that is consistently high quality. So this is the Rovectin Calming Sensitive Lotus Cream. It's the lotus flower, sweet almond oil, xylitol, panthenol, and allantonin. This one right here. And I'll open the box for you so you can see what this tube looks like. And I have the feeling that this is something I'm going to be able to use during the spring and summer as it's getting warmer. And I need something that's just a little bit lighter in my skincare routine. Right now, I feel like I have a lot of super emollient, heavy, dense creams because my skin's getting dry. I'm 45 years old, so my skin's getting older. It's drying out. So in the wintertime and fall, I really need something that's going to keep it moisturized. In spring and summer, I feel like I do a little bit better with some of the lighter products. So that's why I grabbed this. And yes, I'm so excited to use this. I can't wait. I'm going to put that in my spring tray so that it's ready to go as it gets warmer. I have a couple more products here to show you. And both of these I was influenced by. I will put her channel below in the description section. But I've looked at these for years and I just wasn't sure if I wanted to use them. But when I saw how she talked about this entire line on her channel, I realized I did want to give them a go. So these are both from Roto Mentholatum, I think is the brand. And because I don't know how to read Japanese, this is a Japanese brand. And there you go. This one is the vitamin C version. If you've watched my channel, you guys, you know that I use the vitamin C serum. So this is the toner, right? And then also this is the other toner. So this is the Shirajun Premium. I think this comes in 2 different versions, and I got the premium version based on what she described. It's a brightening lotion, and lotion is used in Japan. They use the word lotion, but really I believe it is a toner. So in other places we'd say toner, but if you're in Japan, they call it a lotion. And the same would be true for this one. It's called a brightening lotion, and this one also has vitamin C in it. So that is it, you guys. That was my second order from Stylevana. I'm very pleased with my purchase, and I cannot wait to start using these products. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.